Do you offer recurring or touch-up cleans during a long sales campaign?
Yes, we offer ongoing touch-up, cleaning and maintenance cleans for properties that are on the market for several weeks or months. This is especially helpful if you're still living in the home during the campaign. Your property is being shown frequently or by multiple agents. You need everything looking sharp before each inspection. Trades or stylists are coming in and out during the campaign. Our touch-up service includes re-cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, vacuuming, mopping, dusting, window, mirror and glass polishing, fridge and surface wipe downs, entryway and outdoor sweep up. We can even return the morning of an open home or private inspection to freshen up everything so the home feels just cleaned every time. We work around your schedule and many clients book weekly or twice weekly top-ups during high interest campaigns. Clean homes sell faster and we help you keep yours flawless the entire time it's on the market.